Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my last episode of the Cricut Silhouette collab with Poetspice for 2019. And this month she had us make a box or bag, and we were posting for the whole year every third Thursday. You can check out my playlist as well as all the other collaborators. They have their videos up, and you can check out theirs as well, and hopefully you can be inspired to use your Cricut or your Silhouette and maybe even learn some techniques and some tricks. And I just did a real simple quick project. Don't look at the papers because they don't match. I just wanted to check out the cut. Actually, I mean, they match, but what I mean is they wouldn't have been the colors I would have chose per se, but it was some extra scrap paper and I wanted to use that up. So this one is from I just looked it up, fancy bags, I think, fancy boxes, and yeah, fancy boxes. And this is the suitcase box, and there's several, it's about 4 maybe cuts, different ones that you could do like this. But this particular file comes out with 2 different cuts for the same box, but you can cut it as a 1 piece of paper or 2 pieces box. But anyway, I had difficulty getting the string in and back out, so that's why mine are not stringed. After doing this, I could go in and take out those holes, and maybe this was Velcro. But anyway, so I did 3 pieces of paper, 3 different colors, but that is it. It's big enough to put a gift card or something in it. You could even put like a little mini album in it if you wanted to. And of course, you can alter this and design space and make it bigger or whatever. Then when it says top secret, so you can change this here. You can actually get rid of this panel. I would get rid of this panel and both of the holes and just Velcro it. If I did it again. But you know, you got about 1 inch depth per here. Like I said, you can put a mini album in here. You can put a gift card, some little treats, and send it to somebody. So that's the 1 piece of paper version. This one is 2. So again, it comes out in both cut, and I wasn't paying attention. I just cut both of them out and not realizing it was 2 different files. And then you just put it together the same way. But of course, again, you can fill it whatever you want and change it up. But that was just my little box that I made. And so again, hopefully you can check out all our videos. You'll be inspired to use your machines. They do offer a lot of different advantages using different machines, even though sometimes it can be cumbersome, but you can do a lot of things to tweak it and personalize your particular project. So check out the collaborators, see what they made, and hopefully you'll be inspired. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.